Welcome to PSM Perfect Solution Math. I'm your tutor Sumant here. So today we are going to learn the ICSE syllabus. In that, the class 9 mathematics component test using formula method. Exercise 3C. Question number 8. Calculate the component interest on rupees 3,500 at 6% per annum for 3 years. The interest being compounded half yearly. So this is a question. This much is the question. So in this question, if you will see, they have given the principal amount for you. The principal amount they have given as a 3,500 because they have told you to find the compound interest. So compound interest you are going to find. You are not finding the amount here. You are finding the compound interest. That is most important. Compound interest you are going to find. Rupees 3,500 is the principal amount. Then 6% annum they have given the rate of interest. That is small r we can take. And here that n value is given as 3 years. Actually, that is the n value is 3 years, yes. But when you will accurately, if you want to find the n value, it will not become the 3, it will become the 6. Why it is so? Because it is they have given compound interest for compounded half yearly. So they have given it is not for annual compound interest, it is for half year compound interest. Therefore, you can see per year there is 2 times interest because 6 months one interest, again 6 months again interest, so 1 year 2 times, again the second year again 2 times, and third year again 2 times. Totally there is 6 time you are going to find. So totally it is the n value will become 6. Later on you will see. So this is a simple question. We have to find the compound interest, that's all. But why there is a doubt in this question? In the student there is a doubt because they have given extra. Do not use mathematical tables, use necessary information from the following they have given. So this will confuse you a lot. So here what they have given 1.06 the whole cube. So they have given the value of that 1.06 whole cube and 1.06 whole raised to 6 value they have given. And also here 1.03 cube they have given and 1.03 raised to 6 value they have given. It will be helpful for you to calculate this next answer. Otherwise what will happen, you want to multiply 1.06 whole cube, you have to multiply how many times, 3 times. That is not necessary now because they are already given here. And also raised to 6 means 6 times you have to multiply. That is also not necessary because already they have given that value for you. So it will be very easy for the calculation part. So how to solve this using this information, let us see. So let us take the principal amount first. The principal amount they have given, so it is a solution. The principal amount they have given already 3,500, and then they have given a rate of interest 6%, and they have given the n value as 3. So let us write it down that, and let us calculate it according to the question. Calculate the compound interest. So compound interest is equals to, so according to the question, you see compound interest is not p into 1 plus r divided by 100 is to n. It is c a minus p because a value is that one, that is p into 1 plus r divided by 100 is to n. So don't get confused. What is a? Now you write it on that. The value is p into 1 plus r divided by 100 raised to n. This is the formula actually, but very importantly how to give the concentration on half yearly. Half yearly when it will come, the 2 will multiply here and 2 will divide with the r. So this is the formula. Now substitute that formula, and here we have again minus p because we are finding the compound interest. So a minus p, so a value is this one, what we have taken here. This is a value and this is the p value. I hope you understood this. So let us continue. Here the p value we can take it common. So what is remaining inside, that is 1 plus r value divided by 2 into 100 raised to 2n minus 1, because we have taken this p and this p outside the bracket here. So I hope you understood this. So let us continue. We have to use that value also, 1.03 or 0.6. Let us see. So p value is how much? P value is 3,500, already we know. Then we have 1 here plus the r value. Remember the r value is 6%, divided by 2 into 100 we have raised to the 3 years they have given. So 2 into n value is 3 minus 1 the whole bracket here we can put. So I will make this bracket as a small bracket, then we will not have any confusion. So let us continue. I will take little bit down. So 3500, then we have the bracket, and here you can see 2 ones are 2 threes are. So taking the LCM, it will become 100 on the LCM, because down we have 100. So 100 is the LCM, and above it will come 100 plus 3, and here it will come. So I will put small bracket here. Raised to 2 3 is 6, the power we have multiplied, and 2 3 is 6, and here we have minus 1. So whole bracket I will put it here. So next one is nothing but 3500, and here you can say 100 plus 3 is 103, divided by 100 we have got, raised to 6 we have, minus 1 we have, that we have to put the bracket, and obviously find directly the 103 divided by 100 we have, that find the fraction value, because already they have mentioned what is the value of that 103 divided by 100, that is nothing but you can find 1.03. Okay, that is the 103 divided by 100 is nothing but 0 0, we have 2, so the point value is here, so it will come 2 digit on the right hand side, raised to 6 minus 1. Remember, raised to 6 we have, don't minus the 103. 1.03 minus 1, don't make it, because here we have to make the 6 first, then we have to find the next. So let us find that 3500 as it is, we will keep it as it is. Now the calculation for 103 raised to 6, how much? So we have already know 103 raised to 6, no? Yes, 100, sorry, 1.03 raised to 6, yes, yes, 1.03 raised to 6, it is here, you can refer it. It is nothing but 1.194052, 1.194052, 1.194052, and 2. So this is the value of that 1.03 raised to 6, minus 1 we have, that we will write on that minus 1 here only. Okay, we will close the bracket. Let us find the next. So 1.194052 minus 1, obviously this 1 and this 1 will get cancelled, means it will remain 0. So 3500, sorry, 3500 into, so obviously annual minus, that is anything but 0.194052. Now the calculation part is most important, that 3500 you have to multiply with the 0.194052 that we have to calculate. So let us find that. So if you do calculation, okay, then what is the answer we are going to get? Let us see. So 3500, that's 35 we can consider, and here I will write down 0.194052. So 35 ones are table, you can move 35 to the 70, or 35 ones are table also you can move. So like this way calculation you can do. Okay, we are going to get 25, and one is the carry over that. So 20, so 45, 47, 4, 5 ones are 5, 6, 9 we will have. Then we will have the 0, no problem. Let us write it on. 3 2s are 6, 3 5 is 15, carry 1, 3 that is 0. So 1 we are going to get. So 3 4 are 12, carry 1. Then 3 9 are 27, 28, 2 will be remaining. 3 1 are 3, 4, 5. 0 we are, if you want you can put that 0 2 carry 1 7 8 1, then we will have 7 plus 2 9 17, carry 1 6 79.182. So why I have saying that, again 2 zeros we have, so let us put this 2 zeros here. I have done, and let us take that point where I have to put 1 2 3 4 5 6 digit, 1 2 3 4 5 6 digit. So it is 679.182 is the compound interest. So this is our answer. The compound interest they have told you to find. So according to the question you can see, calculate the compound interest. So we have found the compound interest, that is nothing but 679.182. You can write it on. Compound interest is equals to rupees 679.182 is your final answer. I hope you understood this question. So those who have a doubt, you can ask me in comment section, or you can ask me in a social media link, and all the previous video I have already uploaded, you can check it in the given playlist also. Thank you for watching PSM Perfect Solution Math. See you in my next video. Till then, take care.